I was just hanging out with my friend, Chef Josh Capon is here. We're just catching up because we're real life buddies. Today he's cooking up a storm. He already made a super simple, that's hard to say, super simple shrimp.
Skewers.
Delicious shrimp skewers, perfect for any holiday gathering. And now we're moving on. What are you making next?
Well, as I mentioned before, we're teaming up with the wineries from St. Michel Wine Estates. And for our next dish, we're using the 14 Hands Hot to Trot Red Blend. It's a fruit-forward wine that's
versatile. I love that. 14 hands, hot
Try
to
saying
trot.
that 5 times.
14 hands is how you measure a horse. So get it? Hot to trot? Well, I got it.
The 14 Hands Hot to Trot Red Blend is a fruit-forward wine that's versatile and can pair with a variety of dishes. So it's great when you have a bunch of different appetizers. So sticking with the holiday theme, we are going to do a wild mushroom flatbread with a pumpkin seed pesto and some crumbled feta cheese.
Yum.
So nothing wrong with some store-bought flatbreads.
No,
if you want to get a little crazy, you can do some puff pastry.
Sure.
Pumpkin seed pesto, toasted pumpkin seeds, Parmesan cheese, spinach, a little bit of basil for color, a lot of olive oil, and some garlic in there. You're almost making like a little individual pizza. Goes right on top, tons of flavor, so don't be afraid to lather it on. It's almost like your tomato sauce, if you will. Then we sauteed some beautiful wild mushrooms. We got some oyster mushrooms with some shallots, seasoned them with some salt and pepper.
Yum.
Right on top.
But really whatever looked good, right?
Yep.
Maitake, shiitake.
Maitake, shiitakes, oysters, creminis, portobellos. Just make sure you clean out the gills. Right, we put them right over there. It's like you're making a nice little mushroom pizza.
Yum.
Really earthy, warm, and delicious.
Beautiful.
Right?
Okay.
Then we're gonna take some of this crumbled feta cheese, right?
Oh, salty,
Again,
tangy,
we're thinking
delicious.
flatbread, we're thinking pizza. And these are kind of fun, because if you have guests come over, I always think it's important to get your guests involved, right?
Yeah.
Just like we have everything out here ready, have
Let
people
them sprinkle stuff
assemble it. If
together,
you have some kids over for the holidays, let the kids make their own pizzas. Give them the ingredients.
Fresh thyme.
I'm telling you right now, if you get kids involved in cooking,
if they touch the food, there's no such thing as a picky eater.
They take part in it, and then they take ownership, and then they want to eat it.
Pepitas.
Oh, more pumpkin
Never
seeds
met
over
a
the
pepita
top.
I didn't like.
A little bit of olive oil over the top.
A little olive oil? Where'd it go?
Yeah, a little olive oil over the top.
Where's the olive oil?
A little olive oil over the...
Never mind.
I have this same bottle in my house, by the way, in purple.
Yeah, thank you, honey. Okay.
And through the magic...
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Wow!
Yep.
Yeah, super hot.
Super hot. Crispy, delicious. You want the feta to just lightly brown on the edges so it gets crisp and creamy.
That is screaming hot.
Serve it right on the cutting
We're gonna
board.
let that wait a sec, but that is gorgeous. Look at that. Delicious.
And this, a little bit of glass.
Pour a little.
Of the hot to trot.
Pour a little hot to trot.
Just like Ray Ray, hot to trot.
Aww. Whoopums.
All right.
Cheers to that. I'm gonna let that cool for a second before we taste that.
Come on.
It's hot.
Gotta be hot.
It's hot. I won't be able to taste anything the rest of the day. It's not too hot. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's
Perfect
really
for the
good.
holidays. Perfect with the hot to trot. Really, really nice.
Can I take a sip?